god, I can hear something. It sounds like it's... Hey guys, it's me Presh, and today we're going to be trying an all-in-one meal from China. Now, I don't know how it's going to work, so let's figure this out together. Let's go. So this is the meal. It looks like it has lots of packaging. It says it's going to take 15 minutes. So these are the instructions right here. It looks pretty simple, right? It just looks like a whole lot of lids to put on. We have a spoon. We have a dish. We have rice. We have water. We have a heating pad. I think the heating pad first, the water in next, the topping on the rice, and we're going to close it up. Okay, I hope to get this right because if I screw up, then I might get burnt. It's difficult to open. I might have to get my Superman to open it. Okay. Okay, so I managed to get the rice open. It looks par cooked. I don't know how it survived so long like this. Smells okay. Doesn't smell like anything actually. Smells Chinese. Okay, so it looks like there's some potato and some meat. I think I got everything out. So now I have to be really quick. I got my water open. I think it's really cool that it comes with water if you're in an office. This would be really cool if it tastes good. So I'm going to add my water here and then I'm going to quickly put my food in and close it. Okay, add my food in there and close. Now I have to wait 15 minutes. Tick tock, tick tock.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, I can hear something. It sounds like it's... Woo! Wow. This is so cool. It's actually eating up and it's steaming. Let's wait for 15 minutes and see what happens, okay? It's amazing. I think if this tastes good, it would be such an ideal meal. This seems really cool. It's really hot, so I wouldn't touch this now. Steaming up really well. You can smell the gravy, the rice. Really curious to try this. This is ready, so let's open it and see what's in it, okay? I'm really excited, as you can tell. Ooh. Okay. Really nervous too. Now you can see actual chunks of meat, potato that's cooked, gravy and cooked rice. It looks kind of good to eat. Let's try it now. Pick it out of this. Oh, all the water is dissolved and this packet is really big. Smells very meaty. Okay, let's try a chunk of meat and some rice. It actually tastes quite fresh. It doesn't taste like it's been sitting in a box for a while. There's lots of flavor. It tastes like a beef curry with potatoes. So this is not very cost effective. We paid around 30 RMB for this, which is around 60 South African rands. If you're on the go and you're a person who can't cook home meals, then this would be perfect. It has everything you need. Everything is packaged well, and the total cooking time is less than 15 minutes. Out of 10, I'll give this maybe a 7 or a 6. It's not very cost effective, not very healthy, but it is convenient and you can do it in 15 minutes. Hey everyone, thanks for watching my video on the Search for Everything network. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Till next time, see you. Hey, have you checked out our other videos? Click on the links above here.